Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to use the brand new Moose MCP with a Moose project. And so why should you care about this? So Moose MCP in dev is something that we've just shipped, which will help your favorite AI agent coding tool to build Moose projects. And so I'm going to showcase a few of the ways that that tool will help you. So in order to get started, I will just start with initializing a new Moose project, and I will use one of the templates that we have in order to do this. So let's start Moose init. And then I'll start with, I'll call it ADSB MCP, and I'll use the ADSB template. Okay, I'll go into the ADSB MCP, run npm install. And then while this is running, okay, so we're checking that there's nothing wrong with our packages. And now I can just run moose dev. So this is starting some of the infrastructure locally. So Red Panda, ClickHouse, Temporal. So this is starting up. And one of the things that we see immediately is the Moose server is available. So now as this is running, I'm gonna split this here, and then my favorite agent coding experience is the Claude. That's the du jour. It changes every week because this thing changes so fast, this environment changes so fast. But basically, what I'll start with is installing the Moose MCP inside Claude code. So this is the command to do this. Super simple. It's running locally, and now I can do just Claude. Once I'm here, you can double check that it's running properly by running MCP, and you should be able to see reconnect. If you have a red status, you can do reconnect right here, and it should just work. And now I'm going to be able to start asking questions about this template project that is pulling a whole bunch of data locally. So I'll ask, hey Claude, what's this Moose ADSB project about? And let's see what it comes up with. So it looks like the file locally. It's like gathering a bunch of context. What's interesting with those demos is you actually never know how long it's going to take. Okay, so it figured out a Moose project, what it is, some core functionality. Now I'm going to ask it about what data do you currently have access to. Oh, okay. So now it used the MCP, and what it's going to be doing, two things in parallel. It's going to get the infra map. So the infra map is basically the treasure map of your data infrastructure in Moose. So it's gonna take the lay of the land, and then it's gonna start making some requests to show the tables, which is basically like listing like what tables are available. So I'm gonna whitelist it. like this as well. And we'll see like what it makes of it. Oh, interesting. So now it's like trying to get we have some streams running as well in this application, and it's going to try to sample some data from the stream. Okay, so it's thinking. Okay, now it's like giving me a little bit of an overview of the data infrastructure. So I have 2 streaming topic, 1 ingestion endpoint, 1 ClickHouse table. It looks like we have tracking of aircraft, and so okay, so it looks like there's a bunch of data there. I was like, maybe I can ask it something interesting. Can you tell the current location of B-52 aircraft? This is one of my mate's like favorite aircraft, and so we'll see like if there's one in the air that like we're actually getting data from. So it looks like it's not finding anything right now. Oh, it found something here. 10 rows. Oh, interesting. Oh, well, we got some data, but not B-52's aircraft. So that's like interesting. But see how I whipped up my app, my Claude code, and I'm able to ask questions about data that's like falling into my Moose app. I can ask questions about the state of my app, the debugging of my Moose app, and then like as I'm building things, as I'm building a Moose app, Claude Code is going to be able to use both the information in the databases, the logs, the sample data from the stream to be able to debug things as you're building things and as it is helping you build things. Hope you enjoyed watching this. This is the demo video from this week. The docs are available on 514.com in the section MCP AI Assisted Dev. If you like this video, please follow us, or give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.